Yeah, hi. The project title name is IoT-Enabled Smart Industrial Pollution Monitoring and Control System using Raspberry Pi Pico with BLYNK app application. And we are getting the event notification alert, BLYNK app notification alert, and as well as Gmail alert. So in this project, we are using an 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and it's given to the power supply board. It convert to the 5 volts pure DC output. And we are using Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 controller board, and we are using three sensors. Those are DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, and one air quality sensor, MQ2 air quality gas sensor, and it is connected to the ADC 028 pin 26th pin, ADC channel 1 PIR sensor human detection alert. It is connected to the 14th GPIO 14th pin, DHT11 connected to the GPIO 15th pin, and a 16x2 LC display. It is connected with RS enabled D4 D5 D6 D7. Those are GPIO pin numbers of 16 17 18 19 20 21. And here we are using ESP8266 IoT device AI thinker module, and it is sending the data to serial communication TXT 8 pin and RxD 9th pin serial communication 2. And we are using one L293D driver AC quadrupole HBG driver AC, and we are controlling the DC fan. So there are two buttons on the BLYNK app to control the AC bulb and DC fan. So those are connected with the second pin. It is connected to the relay, SPDT relay, and one AC bulb and one small DC motor. Those are operating with 5 volts. That's 5 volts. That's why we are giving to the L293D to drive the AC bulb as well as the DC fan. So let us come. So here we are using one application, BLYNK app application. Okay, BLYNK application, and it requires the internet. So go to mobile data on, and as well as Wi-Fi hotspot on. So whenever Wi-Fi hotspot on, the username is called project. I wrote on the paper, on the cardboard, project. All are small letter, PROJECT small letter, and PROJECT 1 2 3 4. So SSID or network ID, it is connected to the project, and the password is project 1 2 3 4. Done. Okay, so hotspot connected, number of devices is 8. Okay, and BLYNK application, and open the BLYNK application. This is temperature sensor, humidity sensor data, and air quality. So temperature data, garage, these are the garages, and one DC fan and AC bulb. Okay, on, off. Okay, so now this kit is not connected. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are giving, and this is the AC bulb purpose. Okay, so now we are using two power supply boards because of we are using large number of components: bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED 5 volts LED. This is 5 volts power supply board, and a Raspberry Pi Pico RP20 controller board, and here is the reset button. If anything is happened in the LCD, just you need to press the reset button. Okay, nothing should be happen, it will restart the kit. And 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And the sensors are DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, and MQ2 air quality sensor. Okay, and PIR sensor, and one L293D driver AC, relay, AC bulb, driver AC, DC fan. So ESP8266 AI thinker module. Okay, air quality monitoring, connecting Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, connecting Wi-Fi hotspot. So here the Wi-Fi hotspot is on, so it will show you the hotspot mobile number, and ESP0A7EE5 connecting Wi-Fi hotspot device. Okay, so hotspot device is connected ESP01A. Okay, using Raspberry Pi Pico. So temperature data it is not taken, so next time it will take temperature data. Bulb is on, so because the bulb is on means here off. Okay, yeah, temperature 31, humidity 50, humidity 50, humidity 50, gas value 42, and no PIR alert. Bulb off, on, off, bulb off, fan on, DC fan on. Then after it will connect the data. Whenever it is connected to the server, the fan should be on. Okay, now I am going to increase the temperature 31. Fan off. No human. It is sending the data. Temperature 35. Temperature set point is 40. 40 above. Then after it will send the data. Yeah, temperature increased to 41. Okay, so we will get one when notification alert. Here it will show the notification. Temperature 41. Yeah, temperature 45. We will get one notification alert here. Yeah, got the notification. IoT enabled industrial temperature over temperature, and we will get the email alert also. Okay, close. Okay, now we will go for the gas alert. Okay, so now I am taking the gas. Okay, cigarette lighter. Okay, 100. Here green color LED is on. Set point of the gas is 600 ppm. Okay, 600 above, then it will give the data. 400. Set point is 600 above. Temperature 40. Humidity 20. Gas 658. Bad air. We got the bad air alert. Okay, no human detected. Okay, and close. Bulb on. Yeah, bulb is on. Okay, temperature. So we will go for the PIR alert. Okay, wait for PIR alert. Yeah, PIR. No human. Okay, we will check for second time. Okay, temperature, humidity. Yeah, human alert. Motion detected. Human body. Yeah, human body detected. Okay, human body detected. Okay, and I will go for the humidity alert. Okay, humidity through our mouth. Okay, humidity 60 above. Humidity for 34. Humidity 60 above. When temperature increases, humidity decreases. If humidity increases, temperature will decreases. Okay, temperature 34. Humidity 82. Then it will come second time 60 set point of it will check every time. It will check two times whether if it is right or wrong. Temperature 34. Humidity 81. We will get temperature 81 over humidity alert. Okay, so we got temperature alert, we got humidity alert, we got gas alert and motion alert. Okay, through ESP8266. Bulb on, bulb off, and fan on, fan on, fan on, and fan off. Two appliances are on and off, and as well as power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico L293D will control the AC bulb as well as the DC fan. Temperature, humidity, temperature set point is 40, humidity set point is 60, and gas set point is 600 ppm. And any motion detected, whenever any motion detected in front, it will send the human body detected. Okay, gas alert, human body alert detected, human body alert, SMS alert as well as email alert. Email alert is the student email. So the email alerts are going to student only. Thank you. And this is our block diagram with pin numbers.